When we want to save our work of Illustrator, we don't find there the option of PNG or JPEG. So today I will show you how we can save our Illustrator project as ultra quality PNG format. Let's jump straight to the main point. After complete your project, click this file option. Select JPEG or PNG, as you need. Give your project a name.
Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
Write 8,000, or 10,000 for higher resolution. Done. Let's check the quality and resolution.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind.
See the resolution. It's high and quality full.
I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone.